Welcome to CMC. My name is Greg and I would like to tell you my story. I've been traveling to many car destinations in my life, but for the first time I feel that I have arrived. I'm the founder and CEO of DMC, and now I'm the co-founder of a car storage facility here in Bangkok, Thailand. In the mid-90s, I bought a one-way ticket to Asia to follow my dream to become one of the best supercar tuners in the world. I created DMC and built the sickest cars in the West, the East, and now here in Thailand. I fell in love with the country, its people, and their love for cars. The origin for CMC was born. We take all our experience and passion to store, upgrade, maintain, service, and even repair your automobile. No matter what car, exotic, rare, limited edition or classic, if it's important to you, then it's important to us. It's our responsibility to take care of your pride and joy. One thing is for sure, when you're with CMC, you never drive alone. I love car. I love this country. I have to do this so I can call this place my home forever.